Good morning, everybody. We are cruising down to Central Phoenix. I usually get up pretty early, guys, so on this particular day I was feeling a new coffee shop because I like to explore. I grew up in Phoenix, and there's always new and improved shops and neighborhoods. This particular place down here, there's a lot of new apartment buildings, luxury condos, a luxury downtown living, right next to a lot of historic districts. So the plan was just to get a new coffee, and I had a client from out of town actually reach out to me, say they were looking to live downtown, more of a place where he could send one of his children to Arizona State University or somewhere close to it. So I said, hey, let me send you some condos and luxury style apartments and some cool neighborhoods. This one down here is the Roosevelt district, and as you can see, a couple different apartment style types. The buildings are awesome, and I'm pulling into some private parking to the condo that I'm actually going to show you guys real quick because, as I mentioned, I was looking for a nice little coffee shop, so I ended up right here. Valley Coffin Company is where I ended up, and this place was pretty cool, guys. The vibe was awesome. It's an art-centric coffee shop that participates with local art communities. They have different pieces here. They have a pretty cool menu, and I personally enjoyed the vibe myself. Yeah, this cool art wall is actually from local Phoenix artists, which really threw me off. I love that they're supporting local here, and as you can see, they're telling a nice, cute little joke. All right, full disclosure. So I told the gentleman I'm filming a little YouTube vlog here just to show the people around the world what you guys have, and he gave me this as a prop. You guys enjoy. So we're back in the parking garage, and this is actually to the luxury apartment I'm going to show you guys. Part of this community provides you a personalized spot and a personal entrance, as you can see right here. I didn't actually have the fob to get in there, so I had to rush over to the front, get buzzed in with another fob that was in my lockbox. Confusing, but hey guys, we got in there nonetheless. This is how you get in. Boom. Go ahead and pull it open, and you are ready to walk in. This place has a private security guard. It's a really nice loft as soon as you walk in. Elevators straight up to your floor, and here we go. Alright guys, I'm near downtown Phoenix here in the Roosevelt district. I want to show you a luxury apartment that you can get yourself. This is available right now. Come on inside here, guys, and let me show you exactly what you can get. The historic districts here in Phoenix are very popular. There's a lot of old artsy, craftsy, stores, pop-up shops, a lot of culture down here, a lot of old houses built in the 40s, 50s, 60s. People keep them. They have a lot of character. They do them up. Sometimes they modernize them. Sometimes it's required because they're historic that they keep the house exactly how it is. So come on inside and check out this apartment style condo that you can get down here in Roosevelt. All right, guys, full disclosure, my phone actually died after I showed this room here, so I'm gonna just kind of go through it pretty quick. This is a nice big open space, really dormy vibes I'm getting from it, which is good for my client because he's gonna go to ASU and he doesn't want to go into the dorms over there. He wants to own something. So I said, hey, that's a good idea, good investment. When his son graduates, he can rent it out to another college student. So here we are. This place is nice, modernized, and very, very clean. These views, just check them out, guys. You get a view of almost all of downtown Phoenix, a couple of the court buildings and big corporations. Nonetheless, guys, this is something that I would not mind waking up to every single morning. What about you guys? Tell me what you think in the comments. As I mentioned, the kitchen is nice, big, modern. This big granite island right here. You can put a couple bar stools right there. Perfect eat-in kitchen, gas, stove. The cabinetry is nice, clean. I like the lines in this particular place. I'm usually not too big on this type of architecture, but this place swung me because it's nice. It is very, very naturally lit. Check out this kitchen here as you're doing the dishes or getting ready for dinner. You could look out there. I mean, I'd be really grateful for something like this because it's pretty nice, pretty beautiful. It has a bunch of cabinet space. Those cabinets right here that I'm looking at right now, they actually go a lot deeper than I was thinking. Personally, I'm big on having a gas stove. I just think it cooks things a little different. But I love how this is a modern gas stove and it still has that nice hood above it. Hey guys, thanks for following me, checking out a new coffee shop, touring Phoenix with me, looking at this apartment. I just wanted to show it to you guys because this is something that you can get for yourself. Phoenix is growing. A lot of kids go to college here, or, you know, if you're living alone or don't have any children, or you're just looking to downsize all the way, these are perfect communities for that. The amenities afford you private parking. Some places have big conference rooms, rooftop pools. These are the type of amenities you can expect for these kind of places. Nonetheless, guys, if you guys ever need any help or any questions, reach out to me without hesitation. 480-235-0617. My name is Sergio.